got him detained. We got him. 13893. We got him contained in the parking lot. Face away from me. Drop to your knees. Hey, listen to me. Drop the knife. You won't be shot. Relax. Calm down. You're gonna be okay, man. Let's talk. Talk to me, man. What's going on? Relax. Give him the guard warning.
Roger, we are.
As far as it hurts.
If you don't drop the knife, we're gonna hit you with this 40mm and it may cause injury. It's gonna hurt. So just drop the knife.
Hey, big man, relax, man. Just drop the knife. You're gonna be okay, all right? What's going on? Stay where you're at. Okay. Stay where you're at. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Face away from me. Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees. Do it now. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Where's the 40? Get the 40. Okay, get down on your knees. What's going on, big man? Talk to me. What's going on? Stay where you're at. Okay. Stay where you're at. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Face away from me. Get down on your knees. Get down on your knees. Do it now. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. What's going on? Stay where you're at. Okay. Stay where you're at. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. Face away from me. Get down on your
You're gonna grab left arm, right arm. It may switch, okay? Okay. See how we do it. I have to. He's gonna try to fight. Want me to grab his hand, put it in the back, or just throw him his head? I'm sure you don't know that. Hold on. Right here. Hold on, man. Something in that pocket. I don't know what it is. It's glasses. Glasses? Yeah. Hold on. One controller's leg. One controller's leg. Yeah. Hold him. Hey, hold him right here. Just keep him right here while he pats him down. Okay. Keep on range. Alright, he's good. Good? Yeah. Put him over. Yeah. Alright, wait, we can stand you up.